গোবিন্দ মহারাজ ওই আসনাথ খুলতে আরম্ভ করেছে।
হ্যাঁ,
কোন দিক থেকে?
সব দিকে।
বারান্দা, ওই ঘর, এই ঘর, সব কাজ বন্ধ করে এখন কেবল সবাই মিলে আসনাথ খুলছে। ঘরের নিচেকার উঠোন থেকে বারান্দায় যেতে সিঁড়িতে গাঁথা হয়েছে না, তো ওটা গাঁথবে না।
ওটা গান এখন আসনা তো
quality that is of innumerable kind, the differentiation, the quantity also, degree of affinity, and the nature of affinity, division, subdivision, subdivision, there are branches, and different branches the Goswami has given. Especially in Madhur Rasa, he has classified in the Jal Nilmani. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, in the science of general devotion, he takes it the general bhakti and the bhakti gradual development, and at the highest position it comes to Madhur Rasa. It is closed there, Bhakti Rasamrita in the first part, and then second part Ujjal Nilmani. There only Madhur Rasa has been dealt with in details. I have not gone through it, but only Chaitanya Charitamrita and other places. We did not venture to enter into the details of Madhur Rasa. Our Guru Maharaj did not like it, but it will come irresistibly within you. You go on, Savam Kirtan, Ujjala Raga Patha Gaurava Bhangi. Rushing of angels, we have to say, it is so high. When it will come, it will awaken within you. It won't be awakened by any other person. An example was given by Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj in a general way, that Babaji Maharaj, he used to live in a very small hut on the banks of the Ganges. Another gentleman, imitating him, erected a similar cottage nearby, and physically he used to make penances like Babaji Maharaj, eating, not eating, taking bath, some days not taking bath, in this way, physical austerity. Then his remark came one day to one sadhu. Only entering the laboring room, a Garu cannot produce a child. A mere imitation. But many things necessary beforehand. So, and also there is another tale. A girl talking to his mother. When when the child will come out of my womb, mother, you please awaken me at the time. The mother told, no, you will awaken me at the time. it won't be necessary that I shall rouse you from your slumber. So a child is coming, you awake. It is not like that. So the Sahajiya, Babaji, they were laboring hard externally to produce some child. But our Guru Maharaj told, it is no easier thing. Muktanam Rishiddhanam Narayan Parasurulava Prasantatma Koti Shapi Mahamuni. It is highest of the highest. So won't allow you to venture to run towards that extremity. No. And behold, the day will dawn by the grace of the Lord. You will not be able to resist that thing. That tendency within you. You go on. Hetamadi Sechinitya Savan Kirtanadi Yal. The duty of the Mali, of the disciple, to pour water into the root. And natural growth there will be. And then the fruit will come down from here, he will test in this way. So don't venture to rush in that. Ujjal Nilmani. There is a book where only Madhura Rasa has been dealt in detail. And very shortly that is given here and there in Chaitanya Charitamrita in a well-guarded way. We have our approach only there. And whatever little we have heard from Guru Maharaj, from his lips, sometimes we, like a star here and there, we look at them, not a detailed account we have gone through in the wholesale. But whatever we have heard, that is enough, and we hope one day we may be allowed to enter that domain in any life. A vague representation. Ujjal Nilmani. That is good. Sakhi, Nadma Sakhi, Priya Sakhi. In this way, so many groups of Sakhi. And there are then Manjari and department, so many things there are. That is on our head, on the upper side of our attainment. We are hoping, but not unnaturally enter there as a trespasser. Everything will be spoiled. We are not ready to spoil our fortune. Whatever we have got, there is much there. There is much. But any greater prospect, which is impossible for mankind to reach there, why should I be so much ardent, impatient, and to spoil my prospect? I won't go to spoil. What we have got, that is enough. There is enough food. And if we do not find any food there, then to find food to run up, that would be treachery. Eagerness is good, but rushing is foolish. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Ujjal Nilmani. Chakrabarti Thakur has given just in 3 of his summary books. Kiran Bindu Kana. Kiran Ujjal Nilmani. No. Kiran Bindu Kana. Kana Bhagavatamritam. Amrita Kana. Kiran Ujjal Nilmani. Mani Kiran. Ray of the gems. Luster of the gems. And Bindu, a particle of the nectar. And Bindu, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, a drop of water of the ocean. Kiran Bindu Kama. There he has mentioned in a very short sketch, short. Hare Krishna, Gaur Hari Bol. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Jai Gaur Hari Bol.
If there's no one, if Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur did not approve of his disciples to read such a book as Ujjal Nilamani,
Yes.
then who was the book written for?
We are not atheists. That before reading that book, if I die, my prosperity is gone forever. Don't think like that. If I am there in the soil, I am safe. One day I must get that. He gave my son, gave me some hints. He gave me admission by requesting me to sing the song of the Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari. I may think that he has given, at least many of our friends told that he has given you admission. Admission. His good wish is there, that I may not misunderstand at least. A gatekeeper. And by the name of Bhakti Rakshak, they say that I am the protector, but I think that I am a gatekeeper. A gatekeeper. By this name, he has appointed me as a gatekeeper who will go in. You want to see Hare Krishna. So I am not giving passport or visa to anyone and that. Hare Krishna. বৈকুণ্ঠীর প্রসিদ্ধবাদী সকলই চিন্ময় মায়ের ভূতে তাহা জন্ম নাহি হয়. We have to be conscious that the soil of that land is more valuable than by which we are made of. We tapastha jiva, the material by which we have been created, and where we are wanted to enter, that is a more valuable type of material. The water, the earth, the air, everything. If I be not a traitor of this sort of understanding, then how can I venture? I am allowed to go. I am required to go over putting my footsteps what is more pure and venerable for me. only for the necessity from that region. That is free. It is not so cheap, it is the most valuable. Jiva Goswami has mentioned in Sandarbha that why Shukdev did not take the name of Radharani in Bhagavad. He came, he approached, and almost was going to take her name, but he shuddered and pushed back. That is the opinion of thinking the audience, the characteristic of the audience. Sukhdev, he approached to take the name, but again he came back. No. What is the thought underlying this of Jiva Goswami? So we preachers, we must follow that. What is scrupulousness? Ujjava Ragapatha Gaurava Bhange. So our Guru Maharaj is said to be the incarnation of Jiva Goswami, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Say Jiva. So Vicharaka Iva Jivaka. I have read, I heard, I put it in his poem and also in another place. Kaviraj Naruttama, Raghurupa Sanatana Kirti Dharam, Dharani Bharahara Sanatana Kirti Dharam, Dharani Tala Kirti to Jiva Kabin. He was the protector of the Bhakti Rasa and Ragapatha Gaurava Bhange as Jiva Goswami did. Jivadvai Ravirakhitam. It is high above and tried to prove that from evidences from different scriptures from this Puran, Tantra, Ved, Upanishad, Mahabharata, Jiva Goswami's function was to prove that what Rupa and Sanatana gave, that is the highest in the theological waters. To prove that. That was his function. And our Guruji's function was similar. To prove that he is above and come to understand these steps and make it understand with me. Come. I won't allow you to spread blasphemy about the same. That is my duty. And Gaudiya Math mainly for that. That it is high, higher than the highest. And you all come to fight in the lower position, lower plane. Shruti is Vivigyan. All the Shruti, revealed truth, in different expression. They are only showing in that direction. That is the position of the thing. Shruti is Vivigyan. They are particularly showing the direction only. That is this side. And not taken into and analyzed and testing, not like that. It is so valuable, it is adhukshaja. It is the heaven of Sri Krishna himself. Must not be undervalued, undermined. That is the danger in it. The danger of undervaluation. That must be guarded with all our might. And it will be self-effulgent. When it will come, it will awaken in one's heart, apatihata, irresistible. And then it will be full-fledged. It is natural. It will be natural. It will be natural growth. One won't be able to retard, to catch the rain of his progress. Won't be able. It should be such nature. You will find that he is surrounded by that plane, no help. It is such. It will come down. The higher atmosphere will come down to surround. I myself, in the lowest order, I had some experience of the Adhukshaja knowledge. One day I was sitting on that chair there and talking with Manoviram Prabhu and the Sajjananand Prabhu. Suddenly I found there's some subtle plane of knowledge came down and they captured my whole consciousness. My consciousness, limited consciousness, as if it is surrounded. And even at the bottom, at the disposal of that higher knowledge, I felt. So much so that when it is dawn, a few seconds, or half a minute or a minute, then it vanished. I began to tell to those that now I am experiencing some wonderful thing, that higher consciousness has come down and it has surrounded me from all sides. I think my ego is within another atmosphere, and that is like something like mist, but that is conscious. Not any other thing, not even, and because that is a concept of higher substance than I am, than my knowledge. I felt it. Then I thought, look, we are told that when one is going to Vaikuntha in a chariot, there is this spoken of chariot. Comes under surrounding, and whenever I felt myself helpless, wherever it will go, I am captured, a captive, I shall have to go there. I felt. I am helpless here. Wherever this consciousness will go, I am a captive within that, in the self. I shall have to go, no other alternative. I conceived this. So that I have come to, that is Adhukshaja. Higher consciousness came down, and within and without I found that thing. Anyhow, it was my feeling that is higher consciousness coming down and surrounding me, and I am a captive in its hand. And wherever this will go, I will have to go as a captive. That was my feeling at that time. Previously also I had some conception, what is soul, what is Krishna consciousness, it's flesh, but this is outside. A certain flesh of knowledge. Again, I am there, and it is outside. Some flash came, went. This Vishwarup Adhyay in Bhagavad, not Vishwarup, and that's Triodash Adhyay. Sarvata Panipadandat Sarvadukhi Shirumukham Sarvata Srujiman Loki Sarvamavrit Tatisthati. That sort of conception of the Lord suddenly came as a flash and went away, vanished. That is all external experience, though purely conscious. But this time I felt that as a captive of that knowledge. So, higher knowledge is possible, which is not object to us, which is not object. I am a subject, and that is an object. Generally, things are like that, high or low, but I am subject. But if we are to enter Vaikuntha, all were surrounded by our Guru, who above or below, the whole atmosphere, the land of Guru. Everyone to be served, everyone to be served, and no one to enjoy or to exploit. Everyone, the whole atmosphere to be served. I am the only servant, and it is required that I shall serve the whole environment and to enter into that plot. Have I got such faith in me of that standard, that there may be such a place where from the bottom to the up, things of all my consideration is all venerable, and I am to serve all of them. I am the only servant, and the whole environment is to be served. Such things actually we must have first. Otherwise, I am a disbeliever. I am an enemy to the cult of devotion proper. I can't be a traitor. I am a disbeliever. If I can't believe that Parabhum is a sphere which is constituted by all venerable unit to me, then how can I enter there? Only the plea of service. I am called, come to serve me. Only I can go there. Otherwise I cannot put my foot in the venerable flame. So I believe that. So, Salpamapasya dharmasya trayati mahatu bhayap. The faith that such things is existent, all venerable soil, the whole soil is venerable, such things exist, such firm faith, that is enough. Others will come from them, the land of guardian. They are well-wisher. How much I can love myself, my interest. How can love a child? How can the child knows to love him? His mother, his father, the guardian, they love the child more than the child can discriminate and love himself. So we must have faith in the guardian, in the higher conception of the brain, that there is such, there is consideration, there is affection, there is judgment, there is grace, mercy in the land of my guardian. That is enough to have real faith in such, not an imaginary philosophic faith, but practical. a theoretical, a philosophical understanding of do. Hare Krishna. The God is there, Krishna is there everywhere. He is looking after me to have such consciousness, concrete consciousness, real consciousness. The vigilance eye, the guardian's eye. I am bathing. I am bathing in the nectar and glance of my Lord. From here. The ray of His grace is bathing me. Under His gracious look, merciful look, in front of that I am. If I have found faith, there is no miscalculation on the other side. When I have got my position there in a particular step, He is there. Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pashyanti Suraya Diviva Chakshuratatam. Like a sun, the grand eye with mercy extended towards us on our head. I am taking bath in the sun ray, the graceful ray of the Lord. I am taking bath always in that. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari. Gaur Hari, Gaur. Nidai 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 Gaur Hari, Gaur.
Is this what Puri Maharaj of Kalna, he said Rupanuga Dhara?
Puri Maharaj?
Of Kalna.
Yes.
He said Rupanuga Dhara.
Yes, Rupanuga Dhara.
Dhara means?
Dhara means current.
Uh-huh.
The current Dhara. There is line, lineage of current. The stream. The current of pure love that is coming through Sri Rupa Goswami and his predecessors and successors. But he is the middle figure. His predecessors' line has been collected and scientifically arranged by him, and then through him it is passing afterwards. According to Mahaprabhu's advice, Rupa Goswami has given a scientific form of that dhara, of that current. And what is passing through him to this side, we are followers of that. We want to take bath in that stream. And following that stream, we want to go up. And go now, go. I have written a poem about Prabhupada Pranamanta. Gauri Gangatati the land has gold, Gangotati on the banks of the Ganges, Gauri Gangotati, Gauri Gangotati, Briyabhida, Navadvipi Tuku, Navadvipi tu Gauri Gangotati, Briyabhida Navadvipi tu Mayapuri, and this, the Bengal, the gold dish, on the banks of the Ganges, Gangotati, Briyabhida or Parabhaya, which is identified with Brija, Vrindavan, is separate, which is double or the separate expression of Vrindavan himself, Briyabhida, Navadvipa, New Vrindavan, or cigarette Vrindavan, Gupta Vrindavan, or Parab Vrindavan, Mayapuri, in the village of Mayapur, Sri Chaitanya Matha Prakashakavaru, who established there, Sri Chaitanya Math, Jivaika Kalyanudhi, at the highest benefit of the Jiva at large. Jivaika Kalyanudhi, Gauri Gangatati Pajanavadvipi tu Mayapuri, Sri Chaitanya Matha Prakashakavaru, Jivaika Kalyanudhi, what is the only good of Jiva that was within his mind, and for that he established Chaitanya Math in Mayapur. Sri Siddhanta Saraswati iti vidito, and he was known by Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Yes. He is a Gaudiya Gudmanai in the lineage of the Gaudiya Vaishnava. His name is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Gaudiya Gudmanai, Bhatu Bhanuriva. He Bhatu Bhanuriva, he expressed himself, no, he shined like a sun in the morning. He shined like a morning sun. Bhatu Bhanuriva Prabhata Bhavani Rupanugai Pujita, and worshipped by the followers of Sri Rupa Goswami. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, he established Chaitanya Math on the banks of the Ganges, Mayapur, in Gauradesha, what is a separate facsimile of Vrindavan, and in the name of Guru Parampara, in the spiritual lineage, he, as Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, he was shining like a morning sun and being worshipped by the followers of Rupa Goswami. Rupanuget Pujita. Surya Upasana is done by Radharani. Radharani is worshippers of Surya outwardly. Bhanukunda, all these things. Vrishabhanu and the line of Surya, his father's relation. So Bhatu Bhanuriva, Prabhata Gagani, and the morning sun, mild ray, Sunday, Rupanugai Pujita, and all the true followers of Rupa Goswami, they surrounded him with their veneration and materials to worship him. Rupanuga Janiro Jivan in the Prabhupada's own language, in the Guru Parampara. Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya, Radha Krishna Nayana, Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya, who is none but Radha Krishna combined. Rupanuga Janiro Jivan is the very life of the section of Rupanuga. Vishwambhara Priyankara, Sri Sarupa Jamodara, and the very favorite of Vishwambhara, Mahaprabhu, Sarup Damodar, and Sri Goswami Rupa Sanatan, and both those Goswami brothers known by Rupa and Sanatan. The name was given by Mahaprabhu himself, Rupa Sanatan. Rupa Priya Mahajan, Jiva. Then the favorite of Rupa is Jiva as well as Raghunath. And Dar Priya Kavi Krishna Das. Then the next step, the Krishna Das Kaviraj, the writer of Chaitanya Charitamrita, he is connected with Raghunath. And Kavi Krishna Das Priya Varan Haruttama Seva Param. Though Krishna Das's guru was Raghunath, but Prabhupada saw that the dhara, the current from Kaviraj coming to Narottam Thakur, the similar current, the Ragamarga. Narottama Priya Vishwanath Chakravarti, then it came, Vishwanath Chakravarti, then Baladev and Jagannath. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in him, he could trust that the same current of the same high quality in Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And then Gaurkishore Babaji Maharaj also had it. And then you see, I have got always the eternal aspiration to serve the holy feet of Radharani. Shivar Sodhanagi Vara, Sada Sedmu Seva Para, Taharo Dvaita Dasana. And that person's name is Dvaita Das. Dvaita Dasanam. Aishab Horijan. And I am trying to do this service to this lineage to satisfy my Guru Gauranga and Radha Govinda. In this way he is giving his own the knowledge of his position. What is his position there? We are to follow that, the spirit, and not the form we find there. The physical connection has been ignored, and the flow of the pure knowledge has been traced there in Guru Parampara. And we have to believe, if we have got faith in such thing, then we are a real follower of Gaudiya Math and its creed. If we have these Sahajas, they attack us, oh, they have no Guru Parampara, they are all lost. Who will care for that? They have no guardian, guardianless. They are all mushrooms, Gaudiya Math. Guru was a mushroom. No lineage to be traced. What are they? That is their kolahal, their loud noise.
Accusation.
Loud noise. The Shastra is there, the development, Ramananda Rai, and then other Shastra collected by that Sat Sandarbha, through which we have to understand the Bhagavata, Mahabharata, Gita, and all these Shastra. And where is the substance we are hankering that? The goods, where is the goods is? The good side. The real good side. We want to purchase a ticket surrounding the good side. eh? It is located here. The Gita says, the Bhagavata says, the Mahabharata says, Chaitanya Charitamrita, and that is the approval with our heart. If Vyadang Jadi Kutu Pidabhati, wherever it is available, in whatever market it is available, and deposit the money, purchase it at once. No haggling and haggling of the
Price.
price, haggling,
Haggling. Bargaining.
bargaining in a tedious way. No, wherever you find it, purchase any value. Wherever you find it. In Bhagavad Gita, get the trace of such valuable things. In Mahabharata and in Bhagavatam, here and there, such valuable thing is possible, it is existing. Then wherever you find it, purchase it at once. No cost is more for that. Gaur Hari Gaur. So I'd like to stop here today. What's the time?
20 to 10.
20 to 10. Gaur Hari Gaur Hari.
Jai
Jai Gaur Hari Gaur Hari Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati
Jai.
Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj
Jai.
Vivekananda Maharaj Aranya Maharaj Parvat Maharaj Anand Maharaj Bhakti Vindagi Jai 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 Jai
Let's put this on you.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, but those changes. You leave him the suitcase, you just take this one and this we don't need. This we don't need.
And where the undetected, he was such well The surrounding things I know, and that must be located here, then I shall find out that. The surrounding already known to me, and if you have anything, it must be located in particular place, whether torchlight, and then this concentration must be such and such, in this way. Gol Hari Bol, Gol Hari Bol, Gol Hari Bol. Jai Hari. What's the time?
5 after 10.
5 to 10.
After.
5 past 10.
Past 10. Then we can easily walk in that second year.
Well, we should
Yasuda Dev Darshan Namaste Jai. Bhakti Vakta Yasuda Dev Darshan Jai.
Jai Lord Hari. Jai Lord Hari Bol, Jai Lord.
A lot of devotees have difficulty because they have been initiated by Srila Prabhupada and consider Prabhupada rightly their spiritual master. And they want to serve their spiritual master. So for that, Maharaj, a lot of people, they don't want to go away from this particular setup, because after all this was set up by Prabhupada. And within that, devotees feel that they can serve Prabhupada. So this is a very important point. But yet, it's also becoming difficult to serve Prabhupada, because in many ways, Prabhupada's position, as Akshay Rishi Prabhu was pointing out, has been diminished to a great extent. I mean, the only position that can be given to Prabhupada is that he should still be the center of all activities. Because it is because of his
What
books.
you expected, what you got from your Prabhupada, and that is something more than wonderful. It is generally can't be expected in a human form. So I told that Satyadesh, some divine power, came to work in his favor. It is not humanly possible. But still, such quality must be found to at least to certain extent, in a genuine way, that we can expect. Only in one generation that will be mutilated. That should not be possible. A parallel institution will grow.
It is very difficult for the
And
God
it's
brothers.
not an institution, but there will be so many scattered gurus and acharyas. Cannot but be. If they are not accommodating, then the many gurus will appear disorganized way. And if any other center is established to harmonize them without seeking any power, but only for propagation. So the good meaning to propagate the cause of Swami Maharaj. Cannot but be so many sincere souls that are ousted. They will try in their mind way how to go on. In this way, many will grow. And ultimately that may be the divine will, that process it may extend in a more spacious way for us. It is all for the best. Let us think of that line, the divine dispensation. We may have grievance until unless one thing happens. But when it happens, we have to take it as his dispensation. And then another branch will spring, will grow. Thesis, antithesis, synthesis. The thesis, then the antithesis. And then again synthesis in this way. The process of development in the world going on. So an antithesis is going to spring up. Go, Hari Bol.